and you will continue to be at our to help all these innovators and the community of innovators at large in the country. I remember once before we go to discuss for the lunch, we are going to meet at 2:45. I tell you a small story about this phenomenon. Long time ago, many years ago, I was in some lectures and some discussion in night, and then the time going to get down on the stairs. He said, "Okay, I'll tell you something interesting." Well, when I teach the first year first course on mechanical engineering, I asked the students to bring hangers made of different materials. So hanger of wood, hanger of aluminum wire, hanger of iron wire, hanger of brass wire, and so on. And then I asked them to break it into pieces by hand. So imagine if you turn the hanger and twist it, you have to make pieces out of it. You understand the material properties. So he is a teacher of that time who teaches very but accidentally, thank you so much. Thank you. Please take for lunch, 2:45 sharp here. And anybody who has suggestions, can use it.